Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today I will teach you maths topic that is common multiples. Yes friends, so take your books and notebooks with you and here we start. Yes, first of all I will tell you what are the common multiples. Yes, let's understand with the help of one example. Example 1 is here. Find the first three common multiples of 10 and 15. Common multiples. Firstly, we will find out the multiples, and out of those multiples, we will take first three common multiples. Of which numbers? 10 and 15. Firstly, we will write the multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yes, and after that we will write multiples of 15. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and 105. And you can see out of these multiples we have to take first three common. Yes, see here, in both the number which is present, that is a common. Here you can see 30 is present, here also in the multiples of 15 30 is there, so it is first common multiple of 10 and 15. Yes, then 60 is there in the multiples of 10 and 60 is also there in the multiples of 15. So second common multiple is 60. Yes, then here is 90 is present in the multiples of 10 and 90 is also present in the multiples of 15. Yes, you can see here this is the third common multiple. So the multiples common to both the numbers are called common multiples, and here you can see in this case first three common multiples of 10 and 15 are 30, 60, 90. Out of these the smallest common multiple is 30. These are 30, 60 and 90, and the smallest is 30. The least is 30. Yes, as a result 30 is called as the least common multiple. Least common multiple. L from here, C from here and M from here. So short form of this is LCM. Least common multiple means the multiples which are common, out of those common the least, the smallest is that is the called LCM. Yes, you can see here 30, 60 and 90, these are the common, and out of these three common multiples which is the least, that is 30, so it is least common multiple, means out of these common multiples the least number is 30, so it is called LCM. And what is that? That is 30. Common multiples are 30, 60 and 90, and out of these common multiples the least multiple is 30 and that is called LCM. So here we have done firstly common multiples, and after that out of those common multiples we have found the least number. The least is 30, that is called LCM. That is called LCM. Now see one more example relating to this. Here is find first 5 common multiples of 2 and 3. Yes, common multiples means firstly we will find out the multiples, and out of those multiples we will find out the common multiples. Yes, firstly we will write the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, like this we will continue. Yes, and on the other side we will write the multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 to the 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. And students, what one more important thing is there, these multiples are endless. You can write these multiples as up to the number you want. Yes, there is no limit to write these multiples. Yes, here we have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. We will continue to write up to the time where we will not get the common multiples. Yes, and on the other side we have written multiples of 3, and here out of these multiples we have to take firstly common multiples. Firstly, 6 is present here, 6 is also present here, so we will write 6 as the first common multiple. After that we got 12 here, and also we got 12 here, so second common multiple is 12. And here you can see next common multiple is 18. Yes, so third common multiple is 18. Yes, after that next common is 24, so we can say fourth common multiple is 24. And after that 30 is there here in the multiples of 2, and 30 is also present in the multiples of 3, so 30 is also common multiple. And you can see here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. These are the first five common multiples of 2 and 3. And out of these 5 common multiples, you can see which number is the least, that is 6. So it will be called LCM, least common multiple, that is 6. Yes, see one more example relating to it. Find first 3 common multiples of 3 and 7, and also find LCM. Multiples of 3, we will write the multiples of 3. On the other hand, we will write the multiples of 7. Yes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. We will continue. Yes, and on the other side we will write the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, like this. And you can see here first common number that between of the multiples is 21. So first common multiple is 21. And further when we will write the common multiples, then we got 42 as the common multiple. This is also present in 3, and this is also present in 7's multiples. And after that, when we have written more multiples of 3, we got 63 as the common multiple. Yes, so first 3 common multiples are 21, 42, 63, and out of these 3 common multiples, the smallest is 21, so LCM is 21. Yes, now the next concept is that see this example, is 42 a common multiple of 6 and 8? How we will come to know that 42 is common multiple of 6 and 8? We will do this by division. Firstly, divide 42 by both 6 and 8. When you have divided 42 by 6, we got 0 as the remainder, and when we have divided 42 by 8, we got 2 as the remainder. So 42 is the multiple of 6, but 42 is not multiple of 8. So we can say that 42 is not a common multiple of 6 and 8. If here is remainder 0, if here remainder should be 0, then we can say that 42 is the common multiple of 6 and 8 both. Now the here remainder is 2, so we will say that 42 is not a common multiple of 6 and 8, because 42 is not divisible by both. If it was divisible by both, then we will say that it is common multiple. If there is a remainder left, it is not divisible, then we will say that it is not the common multiple of 6 and 8. Yes, hope students you have understood this concept. With my best wishes to you, and have a wonderful day ahead.